All right, folks, buckle up because today's clip is a masterclass in tension and accountability. We're diving into a heated encounter at a UK guard station where a citizen exercising their legal right to film from public space gets confronted by officers. Already, the energy is off the charts. Officers are asserting authority, claiming offenses that aren't clearly defined, and you can feel the intimidation attempt. Stay tuned as we break down each move, every legal point, and the subtle power plays at work here.
Hello.
What are you doing here?
I'm just making a video.
Yeah, you can't record a guard station. It's an offence.
Oh. Is it an offence?
Yes.
I'm sorry.
Can you
Sorry.
stop recording?
Why? I thought I could. Can you get your hand off me?
What's your name?
Am I required to give my name?
Yes.
I thought you can film from public.
You're committing an offence here.
What
Recording
offence?
a guard station.
What
Recording
offence?
a guard station.
What's the offence?
It's an offence to record a guard station.
It's not an offence.
Yes, it is.
I've done my research. I'm sure it's not an offence.
It is.
What offence is it?
What's this in relation to anyway?
It's just a video matter of public interest. Can you just relax a bit? There was no need to like touch me and stuff. Like we can have a conversation. Would you mind identifying yourself?
Yeah, there's my number there now.
What's your own name?
I'm not required to give any names. Unless you suspect me of committing an offence.
It's an offence to record a guard
What
station.
offence is it? Look, I'm not trying to be difficult. I came to the front office.
Here's where things start to heat up. The officer immediately claims recording is an offense, but notice the calm pushback. The person filming cites public filming rights and asks for proper identification. This is textbook know your rights in action. You can see the tension, one side leaning on intimidation, the other on law and composure. Quick question for you viewers, would you have stayed this calm or would nerves have taken over? This is a real-life legal tightrope.
I told you what I was doing. We didn't seem to have any issues. He's just come up to me, tried to grab me. I understand you got the section 24 power, but that's only if I've contravened any other section of the Public Order Act. Do you mind identifying yourself? And your name?
There's my number.
He was very aggressive, very hostile. There's no need for that. Pick it back up.
What's this in relation anyway, the video?
It's just a video for matters of public interest, as I explained at the counter. So what's going to happen now? You're aware it's not an offence to film from public? He doesn't want to talk.
How long do you plan on staying here?
So as long as it takes.
What takes?
My film to film. Is there anything else I can help you with? Excuse me.
Sorry.
I'll ask you a question.
What chance, man?
Is there anything else I can help you with?
No, is there anything I can help you with?
No.
Would you mind stop filming the guard station then?
I'm free to film. All right, well,
Look at this part carefully. Multiple officers close in, body language aggressive, yet the person filming holds their ground. They're asked to leave, but there's no law being broken here. This is a classic example of how authority sometimes relies on presence and pressure rather than actual legal justification. Notice the repeated attempts to get a name or explanation, each one met with calm but firm resistance. Audience poll. Do you think the officers were following protocol or just testing boundaries?
Pick this back up. Morning.
Yeah.
Hello.
What are you doing?
I'm just making a video.
Of what?
The Garda station,
For what purpose?
the matters of public interest.
Public interest for what?
The public are interested in videos like this.
And for what though? Like, is it you're recording official? It is. You're not allowed to record official vehicles.
I'm filming from
I'm
filming from public.
saying to you, you're not allowed to record.
Is there an
official
offence?
Yeah, you're recording Garda vehicle reg numbers coming in and out. Do you know what I mean? There's also codes to the gate there.
It's
I mean,
it's
so
your
what-
job.
what-
It's your
what are you
job to
actually
secure it.
recording for?
Just making a video.
For what though? Public interest for what?
People want to see this. Morning.
What do they want to see? Guards
Just wanna
coming in and out.
see videos like this.
You're recording official vehicles coming in and out of a
I'm
secure
not
area.
filming official
Yeah,
vehicles.
it is official. It's official marked.
From here.
From where here? I didn't
Is
give you
it relevant?
permission. I didn't give you permission to record me.
I don't need your permission. I'm filming from public.
You do need
Alright,
your permission
okay.
to record.
What country are you from?
So it's irrelevant.
No, it is relevant.
Why?
For visa stats.
Do you think that I've entered the country illegally?
Where are you from?
It's not relevant.
It's a question.
Okay, and I've answered the question.
What's your answer?
I don't believe I'm entitled to answer. I don't think it's relevant to
You
what
are
I'm
in a
doing.
public place and you're being asked a question.
Okay. Am I required by law to answer the question?
Yeah, you are.
What law am I obliged?
Sorry?
Which law obligates me to answer?
Oh, where are you from?
Doesn't matter.
Sorry?
Doesn't matter. Do you suspect that I've entered illegally?
Sorry?
Do you suspect that I've entered the country illegally?
Sorry?
Do you suspect?
I can't hear you.
Do you suspect that I've entered the country illegally?
Which country?
Ireland.
Ireland. Are you from Ireland?
Perhaps.
Sorry?
Perhaps.
Well, can I see some identification?
No, I don't have any ID.
You don't?
No.
Right. Okay. You don't have any ID on your person whatsoever?
None.
None. Okay. You know, you'd be able to tell us who you are and where you're from.
I don't have to.
Sorry?
I don't have to.
Says who?
It's my obligation not to.
In what country?
Under section 43 of the Irish Constitution, I have the right to assemble here.
Sorry?
Section 43 or Article 43.
No, we have sections. We don't have articles. They have articles in the UK.
Okay, well the Irish
I think
Constitution.
you're mixing your countries up now.
I'm not mixing my countries up, but I have the right
Might
to
be.
assembly. Section 6, subsection 1. I have the right to assemble here. I'm just doing some filming. There's nothing more to it than that. I am allowed.
You're not allowed.
I've done my
It's in a
research. I wouldn't be
secure- you clearly
irresponsible.
haven't. I mean, you're
I
mixing
have.
up what country
So
as
what?
well. You're
What?
Ireland and you're a second. You are not allowed.
Excuse
okay?
me.
Have your press credentials.
I don't have any press credentials.
No credentials. You're no.
I don't need any credentials. I'm a member of the public, filming from public.
Official guard the vehicle.
It's not an
This
offence
is
to do
actually-
so.
Yeah, this actually is. This belongs to the station. Do you know what I mean? So you're not
Okay.
actually allowed.
What
to-
information could I pull from that registration?
You can. Do you know what I mean? It's not allowed. It's prohibited.
I don't think it is. I've done my research. I wouldn't be irresponsible. I have.
So I'm giving you an order now to leave the area, please. You're
What's
not
that, under
allowed to film me. You do
section
not have
8?
my permission. You do not have my permission to film me. You
I
do
don't
not
need
have my
anyone's
ethical-
permission.
You do actually.
So you're
actually
ordering me
fine,
under
you do.
section 8 of the
I'm
Public Order
ordering you,
Act?
You're not allowed. Record.
Just public order act.
Yeah, so section 8. Have I contravened any other section of the Public Order Act?
Sorry?
Have I contravened any other section of the Public Order Act for you to give me a directive under section 8?
You've been informed.
Yes, but on what basis?
Give your name and address as well. That's section 24.
Yeah, but I haven't contravened any
I'm
section
saying
of the Public Order
you're
Act.
refusing to give that. You have no ID.
I haven't committed any
You
offences, have
no
I?
ID, on you whatsoever.
I don't need any ID.
You're saying you won't even give your details, and then you're filming.
Can you not surround me, please?
No.
Can you not surround me, please? I'm feeling very intimidated.
Sorry?
Can you not surround me?
But you're in my workplace.
But I'm filming from public.
No, you're in my workplace.
Okay, but
My
there's no
workplace.
need
If you
to
want
stand so
back,
close.
Stand back. But you're in my workplace.
So this is an intimidation tactic?
No, it's not. You're in my workplace.
Why are you standing so close? Is there
I'm
not
in my
COVID?
workplace.
Should we not have 2 meters distance?
You should, yeah.
Well, you're coming up to me.
No, this is my workplace.
Okay, I understand that. I'm not causing a problem. I'm not causing an...
This is where the legal chess match begins. Officers cite sections of the Public Order Act and issue directives, but when asked for specifics, they can't provide a solid answer. Meanwhile, the filmer counters with constitutional knowledge and precise questioning. The key takeaway here? Knowing your rights and asking the right questions shifts the balance of power, even in tense confrontations. Notice how steady questioning forces the officers to stall instead of escalate. It's a perfect example of de-escalation through law and composure.
Can you not stand so close? Look how close this guy's standing.
You're in my workplace.
Alright. Can you have a word with, like... I don't feel like there's any need for this. Like, I've communicated, I've explained what I'm doing.
You haven't explained. You said public interest.
With all due respect, I don't need to
any explanation whatsoever.
Excuse me? I'm just making a video.
For what?
People are interested in seeing these videos.
Seeing what? The patrol cars driving in.
No, they want to see. They want to see how the authorities react to people filming from public, and they want to see the authorities respect their rights.
You can't even give a genuine reason, an explanation why you're recording.
I don't need to have a reason or an explanation.
You're filming us, and you have absolutely no explanation for what.
I do have an explanation.
You don't have an explanation.
I do.
You don't.
Rest assured.
I told you I don't want to be on footage.
Well, you're welcome. You're welcome to.
You're in our workplace.
I'm not in your workplace. I'm in a public place.
No, it's not. This is our workplace.
So this isn't a public place.
This is our workplace. All this is part.
I'm aware, but it can be filmed from public.
No, it can't. I said to you, you can't even give a proper explanation.
There is a proper explanation.
You're not.
Matters of public interest. The public are interested to see how their tax money is being spent. Interactions between the public and the authorities.
You can't even tell us where you're from, so we don't even know.
I don't need to tell you.
So why are you saying you're doing it on behalf of the taxpayers when you can't prove you're a taxpayer?
I don't need to prove I'm a taxpayer. What about other taxpayers?
You're a hypocrite.
Okay, let's reserve our opinions. Like, you're in uniform, you're at work.
You prove it and not have a discussion with you, but at the moment you're just a hypocrite.
Okay, I'll be a hypocrite. Why are you standing so close, bro? There's no need for this.
I'm not your bro.
I'm not your... Alright.
I'm just curious. I like your phone, you see.
You're trying to intimidate me. Can you tell him to pack it in? Like, there's no need. Excuse me? Excuse me? Why do I need to stop recording? I'm just expressing my right to film from public. This is very unprofessional behaviour. Excuse me?
There's private cars as well in there. You have no right to record the private cars.
They're not exempt from being filmed.
No, yeah, they are.
They're not.
You have no regard. There's a security issue, right? You have no right to record.
Okay, well, rest assured, I haven't got.
You have no right to record private vehicles.
Actually, if they're in public or anything I can see from public,
place.
But I can film them from public.
No, it's a private area. You're not allowed to record private car the vehicle. There's a national security with regards to it.
Insecurity in regards to what?
Because they're guards private vehicles.
Okay.
Yeah.
I wouldn't have known that.
Yeah, well, they are. Well, what did you think they were?
Excuse me? I have done my homework, but I can film anything from public. This is very unprofessional.
No, it's not. You're reporting me. I can report you.
But this whole trying to surround me, intimidate me, like...
He's allowed to record you. You're in a public place.
You seem quite reasonable. I'd rather speak with you. Like, you two, I don't know, like, what's going on, like...
You were asked a question why you're recording.
They're right. Recording. Guarded vehicles.
And private.
Okay, is it an offence?
To record private vehicles.
I haven't been able to make out any private vehicles.
No, really. Who are we going by? You saying that?
But regardless, they can be filmed.
Sorry, it's safety as well.
And your CCTV cameras...
Pay attention to these moments. Several officers are physically surrounding our filmer, trying to assert dominance. But notice how calmly he requests personal space, invoking the principle of public access. This is intimidation in action versus lawful procedure, and it's a delicate dance. The officers continued to dismiss his reasoning, even calling him a hypocrite. For viewers, what would you do in this situation? Stand firm or back down? This sequence illustrates why clarity, rights knowledge, and composure are vital in public interactions with authority.
It's
film everyone's
safety.
private cars.
It's safety.
Okay, I'm not
Okay?
here to.
So we're working in it like for security and safety. Okay, so there is an issue around recording our private vehicles and our reg numbers. Do you know what I mean? We don't know what purpose you're going to be using this for. Exactly.
Just for my own recreation.
No, for what? We have an issue with regards to that. I have an issue with my...
It's not a security risk.
It is.
It's not.
Yes, it is.
It's not.
Who says you? It's a complete stranger who won't give over any of your information.
I don't need to give over my information.
Oh, we know.
I'm expressing
God knows
my rights.
What you're linked to. Do you know what I mean? So my point is,
Linked to what?
I don't want my personal vehicle reg being anywhere.
It's not going to be
You
anywhere,
don't
don't
have
worry.
my authority. Yeah, I have what? A stranger's word for that.
Okay, well, you have to go on based on what you know. Not everyone is.
Everything. You don't have a right.
I'm not a
to
criminal.
fill in my-
Like, you can't just suspect me.
Did I say you were? But we don't know who you are.
Well,
Yeah, and
you
I'm
can't
saying
treat
you do
everyone
not-
as a suspect.
You do not have the right to record our own.
Well, technically
private
I do.
vehicle. No, you don't. It's private spot. You
The
do not.
CCTV
you
cameras
do not.
can-
You do not. That's different. You do not. You're a private person. You do not have a right to record private reg and use them for whatever purposes. You don't. So go back and look up your legislation.
You okay?
Great. Yeah. You.
Yeah. Would you mind identifying yourself?
Sorry. Well, I
What's your name?
My name.
Yeah.
Card.
God.
Yep.
All right.
As I said, I like your phone. It's nice. Where'd
Thanks.
you get it?
It's an iPhone.
An iPhone.
Yeah.
What type of iPhone?
iPhone XR. Can you just leave me alone? Like, I feel a little bit harassed.
Workplace. I'm entitled to do whatever.
Now, here's a brilliant twist. The officer tries to unsettle him by complimenting his phone, clearly a tactic to distract. Instead, the filmer responds with humor, offering a spare phone sarcastically. Watch how this changes the energy. Tension diffused without aggression. This is a masterclass in using wit and strategic calm to de-escalate a situation. It's a reminder, not all victories are confrontational. Sometimes a clever response shifts the power dynamic entirely while staying fully in your rights.
I want in my workplace.
Well, no, well, technically you're not. Like,
I am actually. It's
we're
part of
in a
the
public place.
Yeah.
You're just kind of coming up to me, circling me, surrounding me.
Oh, as I
like,
said, it's a nice phone. I'm thinking of getting one myself. You see.
so you're not trying to intimidate me.
No.
Hey, how about this? Do you want this? From me to you.
A gift.
It's an iPhone 8, yeah. If I give you this, will you leave me alone?
But I'm not doing that with you.
You say you wanted a phone. Here, take this phone.
Sorry?
Take this phone.
Oh no, I don't want any of your property. So no.
Okay.
I couldn't deprive you of your phone. Why do you have two phones?
Yeah.
That's nice.
But how can we proceed? Like, can we find a resolution? Like,
Yes, that's good.
I can't just stop recording
Why can you not stop recording?
because this is part of like a civil rights thing. I can't just concede to what you're saying.
It's not conceding to what we're saying. So what's your plan? To stand here all day?
No.
How much footage do we need? My rights as a person either. I told you I don't want to be filmed. He told you he doesn't want to be filmed. So you're not respecting any of that.
If you're in public, you don't have any.
I do have rights. So
Any
what?
rights?
Rights?
Not.
Called humanity.
I actually do have rights.
Yeah, I know.
Not her.
And you're not showing any respect or dignity towards argument.
Listen, if the camera's upsetting you, then that's on you. Like,
It's not on us.
it's just like the feelings
You
police.
didn't
Like,
like him standing in front of you. So
yeah,
why
but that's
is
a
it
little
any
bit different, isn't it?
No, it's not.
You're a hypocrite if you've shown no respect and no humanity towards us.
I'm sorry you feel that way.
Well, if you fancy standing there in the rain, knock yourself out.
Okay, I will. Thanks.
Like, see you later, lads. Yeah, and if I find you outside you filming any private vehicle register, it would be a different story.
Okay.
Or a code into
Thank you. Listen, I'm not gonna lie. I'm not gonna lie. I have to hold back a little bit. I have to hold back just a little bit because I shouldn't really, but I have to hold back just a little bit because I don't know, I don't want him to start moving mad, arresting me and this and that. I'm surprised that they didn't actually push further for details. I'm surprised they didn't push for it a bit more. So she was very set on the whole private number plate thing. And I wanted to tell her, listen, I can film your car all I like. But at the same time, I don't know. At the same time, I don't want to provoke her too much. Because yeah, they did seem a little bit lawless. The guy in the car seemed a little bit more understanding. I could just tell by his body language. But that big fella and the lady, yeah. They had their own ideas. But anyway, probably gonna wrap this up right here. Oh, that scared the shit out of me. But yeah, gonna wrap this up here. That was, what was the place called again? Irish Town, Garda Station. So I hope you enjoyed. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Go to curlycoin.com. Join the Telegram group chat. Links will be pinned. And don't forget to follow me on Instagram, Burks_2H. And yeah, peace.
What a ride! This encounter is a prime example of knowledge, composure, and strategic thinking in real-world audits. The filmer repeatedly asserts lawful rights, navigates aggressive tactics, and maintains professionalism, forcing officers to reveal weak justifications. The bigger picture? Standing firm, knowing the law, and staying calm can turn tense confrontations into lessons on accountability. If you found this breakdown as intense as we did, hit that like button, share your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more real-life body cam breakdowns.